Okay, so let's take a look at GDScript loops. So make sure that you have Godot downloaded. Okay, you don't need to install anything, just run the Godot.exe. That should open one command prompt window here. Okay, and another one is your project manager window. Now select the project, click on edit. Now I have already added one 2D node, as you can see in this scene. Okay, also created a new script.gd file and then attach this script to the node. Okay, now next thing, open your script file. Now here you can see we have default ready function and also the extends node statement at the top. Now in order to run loop, we have multiple options. Say we can make use of integer range, or we can make use of character range, and we can also run the loop for array. So let's type in keyword for, and we can set range n in range, let's say for 5. Then make sure to use colon and hit enter, and then print your n. Okay, make sure to attach this script before running. Now let's press F5 or this run button, and in output window you can see it starts from 0 all the way to 5. Okay, at 4 it will exit out once the value becomes 5. Okay, now this was for integer. Now if you want to have let's say a character range, so what you can do is, let's say for ch in, let's type in my name and then print ch. Okay, so this string here will output that through the loop. Okay, so we will see how it works. Let's run this, and you can see it picks up one character at a time and outputs that name. Okay, so what we have looked so far is how to create this integer for loop, then our string loop here that outputs the string. Okay, all of these are for loops basically, but one deals with integer, another deals with string and outputs the character within that. Then we also have one array, so we make use of for x in, let's say 1, 2, 4 and then say 8, and we output that value of x. So basically this array contains 4 items. It should output one at a time, right? So let's run this and you get the output from the array as well. So with for loop, what you can do is you can output various type of your integers, character from string, then array, then any other dictionary specific items. So you know now how to make use of for loop in your GDScript.